What's up, y'all? It's your boy Joe. Welcome back to more Kombat. And today we're going back to Chapter 15 Armageddon, playing as Rain. Ooh, the good guy too.
Nowhere to hide. We have banded together to rid all timelines of your evil. The threat you pose to them ends today.
Such certainty, Liu Kang, that this battle will end in your favor.
It can end no other way, because across all timelines, the arc of history bends toward justice.
Does it? In this timeline, it bends toward me.
Big ass portal.
Behold, Liu Kang, the hell I unleash upon you.
Now this is our first character that's not from, the third timeline. It's actually from a different timeline, Also, I realized that Havoc, the Dark Havoc, did he have fucking ribs as his clothing? Pretty interesting, actually. Oh, I can see Rain. Starts and ends the same, Bam, fights the Titan Baraka. Well, Dark Baraka fights Dark Scorpion, fights Dark Sub-Zero. What the? Warlord. Also, I realized this is a unique Rain, because this Rain is the Order of Light Rain. So this would technically be Light Rain, right? Because I saw something about like Light Shang Tsung previous episode. When he was like, "Hurry!" Name of the warrior play as. You're almost time. You're almost there.
The rain comes for you.
I don't know. What I'm thinking is that I might just do 2 playthroughs of like this. One of them because it's Rain, the other one because it's a unique. Well, truthfully, I'll just put it in as Light Rain because, well, it's Light Rain.
Weather the storm. Fight.
Oh, I fucked up. Oh, fuck you. Hell, fucker. Motherfucker, spam it. Some of my own stuff.
Prepare to be dismembered.
But what the fuck? Oh yeah, Katana Khan. Bye, have a good time. Bye. Bye.
This will be your final resting place.
You definitely sound like the lizard.
Allow me.
Unbelievable.
You're welcome. Now hurry. There's no time to waste.
Unbelievable.
You will be a dish best served cold.
Fight.
Frostbite. Frostbite is wild. I see the joke, but Frostbite is insane though.
Shall I make it rain blood?
Fight.
Depends. Oh, come on. Here we go.
Assist me, Quan Chi.
I really don't want to end up in the fate like last time. Really don't want to be in that place.
Hurry, Rain. You are almost there.
Yeah, see? Light Shang Tsung, that's what it said. So I'm assuming it's gonna be light rain.
You'll drown in the raging waters. Fight.
what's his name? Cyber Smoke from like Mortal Kombat 3. It's the original Smoke from legit Mortal Kombat 3. No. I swear I'm not trying to spam the combo, I'm just mashing buttons.
Only a little further, Ray. Follow me.
Also, I realized their running is like the same.
Your defenses have failed, Shang Tsung. This is over.
I do not think so.
Realize, sorcerer, that you've brought this on yourself. Avarice and ego have again proved your undoing. We have no choice but to eradicate you.
It is you who will be eradicated. You and your followers. And once you are dead, all timelines will be mine.
It definitely suits Rain with the fighting. And obviously this is just cool because, you know, it's Liu Kang and the Deadly Alliance.
Your position is precarious. To survive, you must submit.
Yes. The question you must ask is, if Liu Kang couldn't finish us, how possibly could you?
Fight.
Oh snap. You know what? Now I'm thinking about it, I'll just do like you know, because for 06, I'll just play this twice. Rain and then like late rain, because why not?
And they called me the chosen one.
I praise for the son of Argus. May I?
Actually, no, because that wouldn't make sense.
You
Just have this
done
be late
more than
rain.
enough. Please permit me to end this.
Yeah, no, I'll just have this just be late rain. Nothing crazy. For all sakes and purposes. Make it easier on our brains. Good.
May that be the last we see of you.
I know he doesn't say light rain for him, but still.
Timeline. Count Shang Tsung to hold it together. It's falling apart. You must return to your timeline before this one collapses. Thank you for your aid
And that is my Lumpo Chapter 15 Armageddon Light Rain. I know, obviously, it sounds a little weird, but normal rain ain't here, so light rain we play as. So, if you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.